Come on and get your some. Come on and get your some.
We as the church and the congregation got to go back and rewind that one more again. We got to go back one more again before we start talking.
Shit, I'm living my dream because I done.
All right, man. So just let your oppressor walk you out like a damn dog. Yeah, that's your wife, but you're going to just let your oppressor walk you and just straight dog walk your black ass at a wedding reception. Now, if this was at a wedding reception, imagine what the hell they do at home. Imagine the craziness that takes place when they at home. And what's so mind-blowing about this entire thing is the fact that his family members are sitting around watching. His family, his friends. I seen the black people back there sitting back and they laughing, holding up their cell phones and praising it on. And her family, obviously they're not gonna have a problem with it at all. Here's the thing, man. If you were my friend, well, first of all, I don't have friends like these. But if you my friend or my homeboy, my brother, whatever the case may be, and I catch you doing some dumb like this, I am going to deactivate our friendship. I am going to deactivate us as siblings or whatever the hell we may be as family members. This is inexcusable behavior right here. Now, this is also coonish behavior. Coonish behavior to the top tier. This is what he want to do, though. This is what he want to be. He's showing you what side of the fence that he play on. And this is also somebody who you can never trust in a real situation when it comes to race. Because if you let a white woman dog walk you out in front of her family, your family, and in front of the whole wide world, bro, you willing to do anything. And the crazy part about it is too, he was on the floor. There's a part where he was on the floor looking like a dyke. Looking like a dyke with a mini afro, bent over, booty bent over, so the whole world could see whatever he got running going on. Something was a little suspect, I would say majorly suspect, about how he was on that doggone floor, bent over like that. But yeah, this ain't right. This ain't right, man. Let's see a black man Let's see a black woman walk out a white man on a dog leash. Let's see if we can find that. Anybody can find that? Anybody find that online? I will get him $100 and cash app it to him. I promise you I would. Anybody that can find a white woman, a black woman, dog walking a white man at a wedding, the reception at that, gets $100 from me. Cash app. So get to looking, because I know it ain't out there. I know her family members, they knew exactly what was going on. They were like, yeah, show him what's up. Embrace your power. This damn fool. The family need to be shot too. They ain't just like him. Hell, ain't nobody in there. The end.